final video I'm gonna make for today. And here is the 747. This is the Boeing 747-400 British Airways. I haven't seen this in 5 years because it always comes late. Well, during the evening by 7 or 8 o'clock. Back then I used to see it at like 3, maybe even 2 p.m., 3 p.m. But here is the first of the 2 British Airways Boeing 747-400. This is BA97. 99's coming later on, local time right now, 5:04 p.m. 99's coming around 8. This one's coming around 5. Alright, this is the British Airways Boeing 747-400 Speedbird 97 Heavy from London Heathrow International. Enjoy. Hello, Speedbird. And touchdown. Great landing, Speedbird. That's all from me, YouTube. We'll see you guys next time.